girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie. To all of my new subscribers, welcome. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today I will be showing you guys how I make jerk grilled chicken and cheddar. If you're familiar with Potbelly's, they have a grilled chicken and cheddar sandwich, which is really good. But I'm doing my jerk today. I didn't get into detail on my chicken breast on how I made them or anything, but I did bake it for about 45 minutes in the oven. And I also used jerk seasoning for it. So I will list that what jerk seasoning I use, but you can season it to your liking. And of course, this sandwich it doesn't come with bacon, but you can add bacon at Potbelly's, and who don't want bacon? But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and cook our bacon, but we're gonna slide over here real quick. So I use French rolls. I didn't want anything too hard or too thick, so that was my choice of bread. You can choose whatever bread you would like. So we're gonna go ahead and place the chicken on the bread, and we're gonna put some bacon and some cheddar cheese on here, sharp cheddar cheese, and place it at the bottom of the oven. Y'all, that's Woo's. He wanted his bacon on top of his chicken. And you can put as much as you want on yours, but this is how I'm going to do mine. And then we're going to place it at the bottom of the oven for a couple, not too long. You just want to melt your cheese. So now we're going to go ahead with our shredded lettuce, and then we're going to go in with, I'm so mad. Oh, some onions, definitely. But I am so mad because for the Miracle Whip, I usually get the squeeze bottle because it's so convenient. But look what I had to do. Like, really? Like, come on now. But anywho, we use spicy brown mustard. It's actually pretty good. We'll put all that mustard on his stuff. We got some submarine oil, and you want to shake it up as much as possible, and you can put however much you like on there, and some hot marinara peppers. And y'all, I believe that is all. Let me know what y'all think about this video, but I got something I'm gonna tease y'all real quick. So I did make their cheddar broccoli soup. Y'all will love freaking peppers. Look at all those peppers. But yes, look at, oh my god. But yes, I made cheddar broccoli soup for the side, but I didn't give you guys this ingredient, so it will be uploaded next Monday. So make sure y'all check it out. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, you go ahead and cut your sandwich in half and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was simple and straightforward for you. I hope that you go ahead and try it. But yes, I love you guys oh so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what videos y'all would like, and I'm out. Peace.